Hey guys, in this video we're going to take a look at how you can hard reset the iPhone 15 series. First, let's go back to the home screen by swiping up at the bottom of the screen. From the home screen, tap on the settings icon. Now in the settings page, scroll down and then tap on general. Then swipe up to go down to the bottom and tap on transfer or reset iPhone. Next, tap on erase all content and settings. In here, tap on the continue button. Next, we need to put in the passcode. So put in your screen passcode. And then say, are you sure you want to erase all media, content, and settings? This cannot be undone. Once you are ready, simply tap on the erase iPhone button, and this will allow the phone to be erased. And that's it. So that is how you can reset the iPhone 15 series. All your data will be erased, so be careful if you are proceed with this option. Make sure you back up your data before you go ahead. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for my videos.